The Vacplus moisture absorbers are an excellent solution for tackling humidity in various spaces. With a pack of 6, each weighing 16.0 ounces, these portable dehumidifier boxes are versatile and convenient. I particularly appreciate the fragrance-free option, ensuring a neutral scent that won't interfere with the natural aromas in your bathroom, closet, or car. One of the standout features is its effectiveness in absorbing moisture. I found it to be a reliable companion, especially during humid seasons, ensuring my spaces remain dry and comfortable. The navy blue color adds a touch of sophistication, making it aesthetically pleasing and easy to blend into any environment. What I love about this product is its simplicity and efficiency. No need for complicated setups or maintenance. Just place these absorbers in the desired area, and they quietly go to work, keeping humidity at bay. The 16.0-ounce size is perfect for medium-sized spaces, providing an ample amount of moisture-absorbing capacity. For those seeking a hassle-free way to control humidity, the Vacplus moisture absorbers are an excellent choice. They offer a practical, effective, and aesthetically pleasing solution, making them a top pick for anyone looking to create a comfortable and dry environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.